don't cry. I'm a Draco. Draco. Can't hide from us. There's 4 of us and 0 of you. Literally. No.
Sa second floor yan, second floor. Kasyente. Kasi may tubig dyan sa taas.
Everyone loves bacon. All of a
Hindi,
sudden,
Dai,
you
kuha
don't
na tubig.
You think that's pig, sis? Now you will die. Hey, who's this pig beside me? I don't know. It's me. Oh, it's me. Wait. Okay, Rainbow. You guys stick together and become the piggy. Piggy. Look at this. Okay.
Hindi pa, ayun pa yung mga hotdog niyo pa.
Right here. It's gonna come here sooner or later. Are you hiding under the stairs, little Jack?
No, iinitin yan. Yung hotdogs. Pag alagay na dyan, pagkain natin yan. Iinitin pa yan. What's that, ate? Anong ulam mo? Bilis to. Yan, Apa.
Ray! Bigay, pasok ka, pasok. Papa, first floor to, kahit saan.
Opo.
Papa, tignan mo kahit saan.
Saan?
Cheese! Cheese!
Opo, bahala na kayo.
Kahit ano?
Ito, sama mo yung cheese. Sa taas yan. Dito yan, sa taas te.
Another cheese.
You guys found him.
What's that?
He's upstairs. He's upstairs, guys.
Kasi yung
You sure have shut
Okay.
the doors, huh? Wait for us.
Ray!
Not going downstairs.
Yo,
Don't go
kuha.
upstairs. He's sneaky. Go down. Stop toying with us.
Ray,
I
hotdog!
like things here in Piggy World. He's trapped. Hi. Boy.
Cheese!
Ah!
Subject has been hallucinating opposite doggy. Do you know why they've been hallucinating?
Sa taas lahat ng hotdogs. Yan.
Ba't yung naniliit?
Yan. I-organize natin, te. Organize mo, bilis. What's this? Longganisa.
Longganisa.
Okay. Get the, meat. Yan.
Ray, pasok
Second
sa
floor.
akin.
Second floor. Get the meat. Get the meat. The chicken and the pork.
Chicken and the pork daw, dad.
Bilis.
Baka.
Hindi. Chicken. There's the chicken. The other one.
Sa kabila.
There, kabila.
It's over. Fine. Over, Karen. You guys are Karen somewhere that I couldn't.
Yan. Organize. Ito pa. Ito pa, oh. The pork.
Pork muna.
Pork. Second floor. Yan. The fish. The third floor. Yan. Ay, wait lang. Nasa yung plastic? Yan pa. Fish. Give ate.
Hello. Saan ko ito ilagay? Ito?
Yan.
Oh no!
Very good. The giniling. Giniling. The other one pa. Wow.
Saan yan dito?
Yan.
Diyan yan.
Sa second floor. Lahat ng pork and chicken, second floor. Yan. Very good, guys. Yan ba? Okay. Ay, isarado na. Sasaksak na natin.
Dahil sana sa baba.
Four delicious souls.
Okay. High five. High five.
1, 2, 3.
High five.
Get to
Thank you very much.
the hospital. I guess we're just
Okay. Hindi ako